Have you ever encountered a friend in need when supersizing your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Famous friends Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore. Eeyore was always losing his tail, and Winnie the Pooh and company were always helping him to reattach his tail. Eeyore is an example of a friend in need. Our idiom, our expression today, our relationship related idiom today is a friend in need is a friend indeed. And this idiom's been around since it first recorded in about 1450. But the idea of the proverb dates back all the way to 400 BC. It's been around for a really long time. It was in, I don't remember. It was also in the ancient play by Euphrades or whatever. I don't know. I can't pronounce some of these ancient names. But Kamala Harris, Vice President of the United States, used it in a press conference with the Polish ambassador when asked if and how many refugees the United States would be welcoming from the Ukraine. And her response was, a friend in need is a friend indeed. So that's the most recent reference that I've heard to this particular idiom or expression. It always reminds me of Girl Scouts. I was a brownie and a Girl Scout and a Girl Scout leader and for a lot of years. And so friendship and friends always reminds me of Girl Scouts. So what is a friend in need is a friend indeed. What does it mean, and why would we care about it with respect to our business? Well, it means it's a person who will help someone when help is needed, and that person then is a true friend. Our true friends show up when we're struggling, right? Our true friends are the friends and the people that stick by us through thick and thin, through good times and bad, especially through bad times. It's amazing, and I think probably many of us have experienced this as we're growing and building and supersizing our business. The more success we have, the better we're doing in our business, the more friends and acquaintances fall away and stop hanging around us and stop being our friends or leave our lives, because we represent an example of what's possible for anyone. If it's possible for us and we're their friend, it shows that it's possible for them too. And a lot of people don't want to see that. A lot of people don't want to work as hard as it takes to create something new in the world. People we do business with, people like to do business with people that are like them or people that we like. I like to do business with people that I like. I like to do business, and you probably do too, with businesses that share common values and goals and beliefs as you do. And that we strike up a friendship a lot of times with our clients and our customers. And in work, our job, our coworkers, we want to be in good relationships with them in order to grow and build and supersize our business. Whether we're working for someone else or building our own business, if we're building a department or an arm of a business, it's just like owning your own business. One of the secret things I learned to do when working in corporate America was act as if it were my business and ask myself, what would I do if I owned this business? And by doing that, a lot of times I made better decisions or understood the decisions that upper management was making in situations where other people were like, I just don't get it. Why would they want to do this? So a lot of times our ability to change our perspective can be a really powerful tool. The other thing that this idiom reminds me of is how much of a desire do you have to help and be of service to other people? One of the secrets to businesses that supersize really quickly is that they have a true concern and care and desire to help the people that they're serving. Your customers, if you honestly want to help and make their lives better and be of service to them, you will attract them to you, and you will do a better job for them, which they will, via word of mouth, share the information and share how well you serve them, and will help to grow and supersize your business. And I wrote down myself a note of would you rather, and I can't remember why I wrote it, but I guess I'm thinking, would you rather be a friend in need, or would you rather be the person that comes to the aid of people that are in need? And sometimes we all, as we're growing and building and supersizing our business, we need a helping hand. We might need an angel investor that arrives right at the right minute. We might need a partner or a skill or something. We might need a particular skill set that we don't personally have in order to take the next step in the growth of building our business. And so sometimes we're the provider of the need, and sometimes we are the party that is in need in order to grow and build, or as we're growing and building and supersizing our business. At least that's been my experience. I would love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Have you ever been one? Have you ever helped one? What does it mean to you? And do you see how it could help you grow and build and supersize your business? It's our relationship idiom for today. Have an awesome day. If I can help you, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another relationship related idiom for the month of June. Have a great day.